Welcome back, children. So we have finished learning how to find prime factorization. What is prime factorization, children? Finding the factors which are only prime numbers. The factors should be only prime numbers. I'll be coming to that section once again. Now before that, we are moving to a new topic called HCF. Has anybody heard of this? HCF. Can anybody tell me what is the full form of that? Can anybody? HCF. Okay. Now, see, what is the full form? Highest common factor. You have learned how to find common factors, isn't it, children? You have learned how to find common factors. Now, in this is a topic where you will find the highest common factor. That is, if you are given two or more numbers and if they ask you to find highest common factor, what you have to do is, first you will find the factors of the two numbers. Then from that, you will find out common factors. You've already done in the first section, isn't it? So, we will find out the common factors. From that, you will take the highest one, which is common in all those, which is the highest in all those common factors. So, that will be the highest common factor. So, there as a definition they have given you, what is HCF? HCF of two numbers is the greatest number. Okay, greatest of all the common factors. You will find common factors. In that, the greatest of that. Which one is greatest? That you will take. Greatest number that divides both the numbers without leaving any remainder. That is when you take the highest common factor and you take that number and divide with the two numbers that is given in the question. Your remainder will be 0. Okay, so that is the definition of HCF. Just have to know what is HCF. HCF is the highest common factor. That is the greatest of all the common factors that you have found out. Okay. So, moving to the questions of that. First question. Find the HCF for the following. Children, this topic is very important. Find the HCF for the following. And that the first question, 9 and 15. So, you've given two numbers, 9 and 15. First, what you will do is you will find out the factors of 9. Now, children, I am not going to write the way we have written in the first section. Right, first writing 1 into 9, then 3 into 3, 9. No, I am not going to write like that. What I will do is I will write like this. Factors of 9 are. Okay. Now, you will do it like this. Factors of 9 are. Starting from 1. What are the factors? 1 into 9 is 9. So, I will write 1 here and then put a space between them and I write 9 there. Okay. Then, what is the next? Is it there in 2 stable? No. Is it there in 3 stable? Yes. 3 into 3 is 9. So, put a comma. I wrote 3 only once because 3 into 3 is 9. Okay. Then, 4 stable is there 9? No. 5, 6, 7, 8 stable? No. 9 stable? Yes, we have already written 1 into 9 is 9. So, what are the factors of 9? 1, 3 and 9. This is how we are going to write again. Okay? We are not going to write like this. 1 into 9 is 9. 3 into 3 is 9. No. Okay. Now, next. Factors of 15. Children, if you people are finding it difficult to write like this, you can do it in the previous way how we have done. But that you will do it in your working column to find out the factors. Okay. Now, factors of 15, starting from 1. 1 into 15 is 15. So, write 1 here and 15 at the last. Put a gap. Because we know 15 is the greatest factor of 15, isn't it? 9 is the greatest factor of 9. So, that will be the last numbers. That is why I put a gap between the numbers. Okay. Now, coming to 2 stable. 2 stable is there 15? No. 3 stable? Yes, 3 5s are 15. So, write 3 and write 5 here, put commas. Okay. Then, coming to 4 stable, do you have 15? No. Again, coming to 5 stable, you have already found out. So, what are the factors of 15? 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now, from this, which are the common factors? Which are the common factors, children? Common factors are 1 and 3. These are the common factors, 1 and 3. Common factors are 1 and 3. Now, what will be the HCF? Highest common factor. What will be the highest one? Which is the highest of 1 and 3? 3 is highest. So, 3 is the highest common factor. Okay. So, what was the definition of highest common factor? It is a number that divides both the numbers without leaving a remainder. You divide 9 with 3, what you get? Answer is 3 and the remainder is 0. You divide 15 with 3, what you get? Answer is 5, remainder is 0. Understood? So, this is how we found HCF. You know how to find till common factors. So, you will find HCF. HCF means the highest of all the common factors. Okay, children? Only thing, if you are finding it difficult to write the factors like this, you can do it in the working column and you will write that statement here. Okay. Moving to the next question. Eight and 16. 8 and 16. So, first you will write the factors of 8. Factors of 8 are. Come on children, tell me what are the factors of 8? Starting from 1. 1 into 8 is 8. So, you put 1 and 8 here, put a comma. Okay, because we know 8 is the largest factor of 8. Okay, so 8 you will write it as last. Then, after 8, after 1 stable, 2 stable. 2 into which number gives you 8? 2 into 4 gives you 8. So, write 2 and then 4 here to the extreme ends. Then, coming to 3 stable, do you have 8? No. Coming to 4 stable, we have already found out. So, you have got a repetition now. You will stop. So, what are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now, factors of 16. Again, starting from 1 stable, 1 into 16 is 16. Now, coming to 2 stable, 2 into which number gives you 16? 2 into 8 is 16. 2 into 8 is 16. Okay. 2 into 8 is 16. Coming to 3 stable, do you have 16? No. Coming to 4 stable? Yes. 4 4s are 16. But I will write 4 only one time. So, 4. Coming to 5 stable, do you have 16? No. 6 stable? No. 7 stable? No. And then 8 stable, we have already found out, so it's a repetition. So, what are the common factors? Common factors are, so the common factors children, you have 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the common factors. So, you will write 1, 2, 4 and 8. So, what is the HCF now? Highest common factor. Yes, it is 8. Very good. Highest common factor is 8. Understood children? Moving to the next question. (28) and 32. Okay. Moving to bigger numbers. Factors of 28 are. What are the factors of 28? Starting from 1 stable. Yes, come on, tell me children. 1 into 28 is 28. See, 28 is a bit bigger number like what you have done from the previous questions. So, you will put a little more bigger gap between the numbers because there will be more factors. Okay children, especially when it is even number, you will have more factors. Now, 2 stable. 2 into which number gives you 28? Now, in this case, if you don't know, I have already told you what you have to do. You will divide 28 with 2 to get the answer. Okay, you can do that in the working column. 28 you divide with 2, what you get? 1 time, this becomes 0, bring down 8, you get 4 2s are 8, when you minus, you get 0. So, 2 into 14 gives you 28. If you don't know, you can do that in the working column. Okay children? So 2 into 14 is 28. Now, is 28 coming in 3's table? How do you check whether it is divisible by 3? Just add the digits and see, isn't it? 2 plus 8 is 10. Is 10 there in 3's table? No. So 28 is not coming in 3's table. Then coming to 4's table. 4 into which number gives you 28? 4 into 7 gives you 28. Then 5's table, do you have 28? No. 6's table? No. 7's table? You have already got. Okay? Now, factors of 32. Factors of 32 are. What are the factors of 32? Again, starting from 1. 1 into 32 is 32. Children, I put a big gap because there will be more factors. Okay? Then, 2 into which number? 32 is an even number. So, surely they are in 2's table. 2 into which number? Find out. 32, you divide with 2, what you get? 1 time, you minus, you get 1 and bring down 2. 12. 6 times 2 gives you 12. When you minus, you get 0. So, 2 into 16 is 32. By this time, you should know this, huh? Till 20's table, you people have to know. Okay, children? Okay. 2 into 16 is 32. Now, coming to 3's table. 3's table is there 32. How do you check 3's table? Just add the digits. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 is not there in 3's table. So, 32 is not there in 3's table. Then coming to 4's table. Yes, 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. 5's table do you have? No. 6's table do you have 32? No. 7's table? There is no 32. Again coming to 8's table, we have already found out. So, write out which are the common factors. Common factors are. Which are the common factors, children? 1, 2 and 4. 3 common factors are there. So, what is a HCF? HCF is equal to 4. Understood, children? So, this is how we find out HCF using, there are different methods, okay? This is the first method that I am teaching you by finding common factors, and then you will get the HCF, okay? One more question. Question D, 36 and 54. 36 and 54. Okay, it's a little more bigger number. So now you'll write what are the factors of 36. Factors of 36 are, starting from 1. 1 into 36 is 36. 1 into 36 is 36. Okay. Then 36 is an even number. Surely it will be there in 2's table. So you find out, if you don't know, you find out. 36 you divide it with 2 in the working column. You get 2 minus you get 1. Bring down 6, you get 16. 8 2s are 16. When you minus, you get 0. So 2 into which number gives you 36? 2 into 18 is 36. 2 into 18 is 36. Okay, children? Then, 3's table, do you have 36? How to check in 3's table? Add the digits. 3 plus 6. What is 3 plus 6? It is 9. 9 is there in 3's table. Yes or no? Yes. So, 36 is also there in 3's table. 3 into which number? By this time, you should know this. 3 into which number gives you 36? Coming in 12's table. 3 into 12 is 36. Okay, that I am not going to do the division. You should know 12's table. Okay. So, 3 into 12 is 36. If you want, you can divide and find out if you don't know. Okay, children. Now, coming into 4's table. Do you have 36? Yes, 4 9s are 36. Then, 5's table? No. 6's table? Yes, 6 6 are 36. Yes, so I'll write 6 only once. I'll put a small gap here. 6 and then I'll write 9. So 6 6 are 36. Then 7 stable? No. 8 stable? No. 9 stable? You've already found out. Okay, children? Now, factors of 54. Starting again, 1 into 54 is 54. Then 54 again is an even number, so surely it will be there in 2's table. 54 you can divide with 2 and find out what you get. 2 2's are 4. In your minus you get 1, bring down 4. 7 2's are 14. So you get 27. 2 into 27 is 54. Okay. Coming to 3's table, do you have 54? How do you check divisibility by 3? Again add the digits. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 is there in 3's table. So 54 is surely there in 3's table. So divide 54 with 3 and see. One time. When you minus you get 2. Bring down 4. 8 3's are 24. When you minus you will get 0. So 3 into 18 is 24. Okay, children? 3 into 18 is 24. Now, coming to 4's table, is there 54? That also you will have to divide and find out. See, 54 you divide with 4. One time you get 14. 3 times 4 will give you 12. You are getting a remainder 2. So that means 54 is not divisible by 4. So you can't take from 4's table. So you leave away 4. Coming to 5's table, surely it is not there. Coming to 6's table, yes, 6 9's are 54. Then 7's table, 54 is not there. 8's table also, it is not there. Again coming to 9's table, we have already found out 9 6 are 54. So understood how we have got 1 into 54. Then 54 is an even number, so I divided 54 with 2. I got 2 into 27, 54. Okay, then 54, when I added the digits, I got 9. 9 is there in 3's table. So 54 is also divisible by 3. So when I divided 54 with 3, I got 18. So 3 into 18 is 54. Then coming to 4's table, that also we divided and found out we did not get remainder 0. So it is not divisible by 4. Then 5's table, obviously it is not there. 6's table, we know 6 9's are 54. So what are the common factors, children? Common factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. How many factors we got? 6 factors we got, common factors. And out of this, what is the highest common factor? HCF is 18. Understood, children? So this is how we find HCF using common factor method. I give you a homework, you'll do it. Question E, 40, 24. Okay, watch this video again and again till you're thorough with HCF and how to find the factors. Okay, if you cannot find it like this, you can do it in the working column like how we did in the previous, in the first video, finding factors. It's better you learn like this. Okay, children? Thank you.